Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp adjust date and time error on your iPhone or Android. If you're using any Android or any iOS device and you're having the issue that your WhatsApp is not accurate time or any incorrect time or anything like that, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens whenever your phone have incorrect time. So let's see how can you fix that. So you can see I am trying to open WhatsApp, but it is showing that your device date is incorrect. Adjust your clock and try again. So to fix that issue, first of all you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, then go for date and time, and from here you have to select your own time zone. Once you have selected your time zone, as I have already selected, select or enable the toggle of set automatically. Once you have enabled your time and it will be automatically set it up, now you just have to open your WhatsApp and you will not any issue of this type. So in this way, you can easily fix your WhatsApp and adjust data time errors. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.